At YGC's Building Design and Property Surveying Service, we are a team of architects, surveyors, mechanical engineers, electrical engineers and clerk of works. Everything needed to design and build a new structure or to adapt an existing building. We will make sure that the building is safe and fit for purpose for years to come. We are responsible for all sorts of projects ranging from public to private buildings. When a client comes to us with a project, we will work with them to find out what their needs are and we will come up with initial ideas. As part of the design process, we will carry out site inspections. This varies from one project to another. It may involve inspecting a site where there are plans for a completely new building, or it could mean inspecting the condition of a building which already exists. Once we have gathered all the information that we need, we will present the client with practical and interesting ideas. We can bring these ideas alive to the client by using computer packages to create effective images. Should any building work need planning permission, we will submit an application to the relevant authorities on behalf of the client. Once we have the planner's consent, we will go through a further process to make sure that the building reaches building regulation standards. This will give us the assurance that the building is safe, accessible and is energy, water and structurally efficient. Here are examples of some of our projects over recent years. Throughout the building phase, we will continue to work closely with the client. We also keep an eye on progress and standards of the work by being in close contact with the builder. Once the client has moved in, we will still be at the other end of the line. We will be available for a specific period of time to deal with any problems which may come up with the building and to carry out further inspections. As the project draws to a close, we can look back with pride as the client and the users have a building that meets their needs.